What's up, guys? Scotty here. I am back with my large and in charge friend, BigJigglyPanda.
Big to large and in charge? I hope that comes with a pay increase.
I don't know. I ain't your boss. Today we're going to be looking at this compilation from VANOSS, The Wheezing/Tea is Ready. So I can only imagine how good this is going to be.
Nathan's got a new song. Meet my boy.
Well, this one is always a classic.
Oh my god, of course.
But now I'm going to be looking out for the T sounds. There we go.
This is all when we had terrible mics too.
Yeah, it makes it so much better.
I still don't think I've ever heard Tyler laugh as loud since, or hard since.
No, this was like God tier Gmod.
I've never laughed this hard in my entire life.
Well, there you go.
And he hasn't since.
I don't believe they could ever do this.
Did they actually coordinate that?
What the hell? I don't believe it. There's no way. I think that actually was a VANOSS wheeze.
But actually, I wasn't even paying attention to who was doing the wheezing.
Almost. Almost.
That's probably the closest that I've heard. At least that's coming to my memory right now.
Your customer.
Oh,
There we go. There's Anthony.
oh, I know what this one is.
What is that game, dude?
Dude, that's fucking Fly Simulator. It is incredible.
Is this the POV? You're a fly?
Yes.
Oh my.
Look to the right, Sark. Look to the right with the map.
The greatest war game of all time returns.
Yes, sir.
That's the way we're going, huh? That's the way we're going.
If you get to the tree, you've gone too far.
Definitely not my house. My mom is not a fat, naked woman on the. No, definitely not my house. There is no fat old man in my house.
Who was that? Was that Evan? Just blowing straight air?
Rock, maybe? Or is that
Definitely
Tyler
not my
losing
house.
it at
There
the
is no
end?
fat old man in my house.
Yeah, you might be right.
He just can't contain it.
Bro, I'm shocked they made it through all of Alpha Betas.
Oh, I can't imagine what those booths were like. I imagine it would be easier to be working with a director, but at the same time, it's more difficult because everybody else is around. Like, imagine trying to do an ad read with all your friends chilling in your office with you.
Yeah, it would be weird.
Hey, everybody, this video is brought to you by so-and-so. You just got somebody in the corner like,
Yeah, there's got to be 1,000 bloopers
oh, yeah, I would love to see it.
so we can react to it.
Of course. Show me the bloopers. Release them. I'll Patreon or what do they call it?
Oh yeah, we'll start a Kickstarter. Release the
Yeah.
footage. Release the tapes.
Release the Wildcat cut. It's like the Snyder cut for Justice League.
The wild cut.
There you go. That's what we need.
Oh, there's so there's
Jesus! How are you I'm trying to...
Oh.
Oh, dude, that was a good one.
Yeah. That was definitely delirious.
That was impressive.
Okay, now the first thing
I love these cuts.
Here we go.
Oh my god.
See you.
S3 exposed.
Oh, boy.
Just heard this explosion in the distance.
I like how half the time you can't even tell who the hell's making noises.
Oh God, Tyler's struggling. He's like gasping for air. Is it eert, eert, eert?
Yeah, there's nothing left in his lungs.
Right?
Oh, boy.
Just heard this explosion in the distance.
It hurts to do that.
Hit the inhaler, brother. Bro, it keeps coming back.
His thing.
This is gonna be the running theme for this video, and I love
Yeah.
it.
Quick, too.
There's no other
So
game.
quick.
Yeah, your guy has no animation.
It just appears and it's gone.
Hey, you want to see a cool trick?
I'm getting shot at. I don't even realize it.
Irrelevant, honestly.
Stark's just over here casually driving the vehicle peacefully.
Who was that?
Dude, you have to go back. It's me. That was a double decker. The second one is even better. I'm pretty sure that clip starts with me saying there's shit on her nipples.
The woman in pink has shit on her nipples.
Oh, yeah.
The game is so glitchy.
Yeah, definitely you. Definitely you.
It's
no doubt.
It's 100%
There's
me.
no doubt there.
Look, it's me. I love how it's just me left. Everybody else is out doing what they're supposed to be doing, and I'm just chilling on the truck. That actually is a very artfully constructed shot. That looks like something out of a movie.
Oh, my.
Oh. Damn.
I thought I was sitting over here in my chair discreetly farting, but no! Someone had to hear me.
Oh.
Squeaky New York subway.
There it is. I think it's the first time I ever heard that.
I like how your face is just slowly drooping in game.
Oh, dude, that was a gurgle. You have to go back for that one. That was a nasty one. Oh, dude. That's gross.
Oh my god.
Anthony's losing his mind.
Holy shit. Uh-oh. Train's coming to a stop.
You did.
Oh, here we go.
No.
Classic.
Dude. It's such a good edit, bro. Oh, it's one of my favorite clips ever.
I love
Like
it.
the music?
Yeah.
Now check this shit out. I got some fucking bitchin' hydraulics. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
In 3, 2, 1. Hold on.
Awesome.
Dude,
Damn, dude, that that is an incredible clip. You and Tyler are doing the same thing right now.
Oh my god!
Man is in danger.
Fucking.
I want to see.
You literally could have substituted an actual tea kettle going off and I wouldn't be able to tell the difference.
Listen to Evan as he's falling. He's like no longer upset about dying. He's just like, tease already.
No!
Fucking.
I want to see.
T is ready.
Oh, it looks like I'm gonna win.
No
the
way.
army is gonna win.
This guy's gonna win.
Oh my god, what that boy doing?
Where? Wait a minute. I thought that was him. It was
Holy shit. That's what my face looks like after I bust.
Yeah, me too. Before that clarity hits.
I got you, Delirious. Oh god. Oh god. Lucky's after me.
What the fuck?
Is this their modded zombies?
Oh yeah, for sure.
This might be the end, Brock. Oh god. Oh god. They're everywhere. They're everywhere.
I don't wanna die.
Oh shit. No.
It's just Zoidberg's running everywhere.
That would be terrifying.
Oh my god.
They're just stomping.
What is that laugh?
Brock is losing it.
Sounds like a Furby.
That was an exhilarating last time.
Uh-oh.
Guys,
no.
guys, I unlocked the rice hat.
I got the samurai red.
Oh my god.
No way. Did you?
Yeah, it says thanks for creating the coronavirus. You.
Oh my god.
He doesn't censor that, but he censors everything else in this video. That picture's so good.
I don't think he censored it because he said it.
Boys, is my microphone fucking fine or what?
You sound amazing, dude. You sound perfect.
You never sound better.
There's no way I can check. I sound perfect in my ear. Is there fucking a lot?
Sounds like a little leprechaun.
That's exactly what I was gonna say. But that's it for this video, guys. If you guys liked it, hit that like button, subscribe down below if you're new. Be sure to check out my large and in charge friend. I will leave a link to his channel in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Large and in charge.
WHEEZCOMPILATION. What's the full name now? You gotta rebrand to that.
Thick and... I was going to say thick and full of dick, but that would imply that I am indeed full of dick. maybe it's thick and I got nothing.